gadgets from eBay just arrived. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Can you remember when I used to test like this? There was a chance of always knocking them over into the tank, stupidly. So then I thought I'd be clever and make this out of wood, a little stand. Then I thought to myself, let's have a quick look on eBay and see what they have to offer. So let's dive right in and have a look. Here it is. It's arrived. Let's get it open. That's pretty easy. Some test tube holders. Thank you. Yep, very impressed. Thank you indeed. Let's have a quick look. Bought two. I don't know whether I should see it before I do it, but the reason why I went for these ones was that. You see? Yeah. Oh, look nice and easy. Take it up so I can go from that to hang on that. One for each one. Nice. So that's what they are, little test tube holders. So if you've got a rimless tank, you can stick them on there. I feel like they're just made off a 3D printer or a kind of little idea. Keeps everything safe when you do your testing. Yep. Good little investment. Well, it is for me, because I'm always testing. Mightn't be for you, but it is for me. So I bought two. One for that tank. And one for that tank. It holds 4 in each. Yep, happy with that. Because this year, when I made it, forgetting that wood swells the water. That's what happened to it. And it only just fit in the holes there now. So I'm quite happy with that. You can tell it's of a 3D printer because it's got that feel of, you know, like an old-fashioned way. I'm saying old-fashioned record, but it doesn't seem that old ago. Long ago when records had them grooves in and used to ring the finger. But like, you get your heckles up your back. Yep, but I'm happy with them. So that, ta-da, redundant firewood. So that's it. That's my little eBay purchase. One there, one there. Ideal, really. Especially if you've got a rimless tank and you just hang them on the tank like that. Great little idea. So it's a thumbs up from me. If that means anything to you. It doesn't mean nothing really, does it? But it means plenty to me. So these are my little purchases. I bought two of these. So with multi-buy, I've got them for £13.60 instead of the £17. So they come in a variety of colours, 3 I believe. I've went for the white just because it's going to be easier to see where you actually are in your test with the white one rather than the black or the grey. So come back next time and we'll give it a try out in situ, because it's about time we've done an update on the bio rock, because it's been about a month. So what we'll do is we'll do full strip down back to 0 nitrates and then see how long it takes, like we did on the first test, with one caveat: the fish have multiplied and got bigger, so the bio load would also get bigger. So if it isn't fantastic, if it stays the same, I'll be over the moon, because that to me is a win. So we'll come back with the tests and see how it's got on. Until then, ta-da!